Guess who's back? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been forever, but I'm back. So I don't know, I'm excited. I know you guys are excited. You haven't seen me in a couple months, but as I said, June, here I am filming more content for you guys, and yeah, I'm just so excited and everything like that. So I don't know, it's been good, and but I've missed you guys so much, and I'm just happy to be back. And yeah, I'm just gonna be telling you what I'm going to be doing with this channel now and everything like that, so stay tuned. Woo! So let's get the show on the road, shall we? So I have a little thing here that I want to ensure that I touch on every little thing that I want to talk about today. Alright, so before I even get started, I want to thank all my new subscribers. I've gained so many subscribers in the time that I've been absent. Hi guys, my name is Kemisha, aka ANNNND Mommy. I am 24 years old. I'm going to be 25 probably today when you're seeing this video. If it is June 2nd, then it's my birthday, so please wish me happy birthday down in the comments. It's my birthday. I'm 24 years old. Well, probably 25 today, as I said, but yeah. I have a 3-year-old son. His name is Amari. He's super cute. You'll be seeing him in other videos. Yeah, we live in Jamaica, and you're just gonna be seeing my life, right? So but anyways, thank you to all the new subscribers, all my existing subscribers who have continued to watch my videos, rewatch my videos, all of that. Thank you. I'm forever grateful, and I love you guys so much. Anyways, yeah, what do I want to talk about? The direction of the channel. Alright, so in my first introduction, I had said that I wanted to do a lot of Montessori related activities and stuff like that, but as it turns out, I don't think I'll be doing much Montessori. I'm still doing a little, but not full-fledged Montessori as it relates to Amari and his learning and his environment and everything like that. You know, I'm just incorporating different things, so we're just working with whatever is working for us. So yeah, you won't see, like, because for Montessori there's not a lot of toys, or I have a lot of open-ended toys, but I have like all type of different things. So I'm not really Montessori, but that's the principle I'm trying to implement. I'm trying. It's not, you know what I mean. But anyways, I will be, so what I want this channel to be is still mom related, like I've always envisioned it to be, still mom related. So I'll be doing lots of mom vlogs, which are day in the lives and stuff like that. I'm still doing that. I'm going to be doing more cleaning motivations and stuff like that, so you're going to be seeing a lot more cleaning and everything like that, so you can stay tuned for that sort of content. I'm also going to be doing a lot more toddler related videos, as I had promised before the break, so you can stay tuned for those toddler videos, learning videos, activities I can do with your toddlers, just fun videos and stuff like that. And yeah, alright, so that's what I'm going to be doing: vlogging, cleaning, toddler videos, all that jazz. That's what I'm going to be doing. And what I will not be doing is like couples pranks and stuff. I mean, I enjoy watching pranks and stuff, but I don't think that's something that I personally want to do, you know, especially like the cheating pranks and the icky prank, and no, You cannot expect to see that from my channel. I know a lot of Jamaican vloggers do that, and it's very, very, very popular and it's fun, but that's not me. And if I do those stuff, it's gonna be fake, like, and I don't want to be fake. I want to be as true and as authentic as I possibly can be. So no couples pranks and stuff like that, but we'll be doing like challenges and stuff like that. Like a couple months ago, we did the couples challenge, the couples tag and stuff like that. Stuff like that I will be doing, but no relationship pranks or anything. I personally don't like that. I totally find it others doing that and stuff, but as for me, no. Alright guys, so that was it for the direction of the channels. I promise what I'm going to be doing and all of that, and I know you guys are going to be staying tuned and everything as we grow together. But anyways, I have one final announcement, so drum roll please. Alright guys, so for the month of June, because it's my birth month and all of that, I am going to be daily vlogging. Oh my god, that's so crazy. So for the entire month of June, you're going to be seeing a video from me every single day. Well, that is the aim. I'm going to attempt to do that, guys. I'm going to attempt, because I'm currently not working, so I'm home every day. But if this changes, then I won't be able to like do that every day, but I'm trying to do that. So yeah. So anyways guys, I hope you're as excited as I am, and stay tuned, and yeah, bye kids.